Welcome. If you're looking to unlock your Messenger app and turn off biometric security, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the latest steps to remove the app lock and make accessing your chats quicker and easier. Let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your device. Look for the familiar blue icon with a white lightning bolt and tap to launch it. Once you're inside Messenger, head to the menu. You'll find this by tapping the three stacked lines in the top left corner of your screen. Next, it's time to access your settings. In the menu, look for the gear icon in the top right corner and tap on it. This will take you straight to the Messenger settings page, where you can manage all your preferences. Now scroll down until you see the section labeled Privacy and Safety. Tap on this option to open up your privacy controls. Here, you'll find a variety of features designed to keep your conversations secure. Under the Security section, look for App Lock. Tap on App Lock to view your current security settings. If you've enabled biometrics, like fingerprint or face recognition, to unlock Messenger, you'll see the option labeled Unlock with Biometrics. To disable the App Lock, simply toggle off Unlock with Biometrics. Once you do this, Messenger will no longer require your fingerprint or Face ID every time you open the app. You'll be able to access your messages instantly, without any extra steps. And that's it. You've successfully unlocked your Messenger app and turned off biometric security. If you ever want to re-enable the lock for extra privacy, just follow these steps again and toggle the setting back on. Thanks for following along. Enjoy seamless access to your Messenger chats, and don't forget to check your privacy settings regularly to keep your account secure.